I'm an aircraft mechanic for American Airlines. I live in Irving, Texas, and have lived here most all my life. Before my surgeries, my knees were constant pain. I felt there was gravel in them. I'd rather do a bigger job standing up than I would ever have to do a simple job getting down on my knees. I'm pain-free, my knees. Everybody can see it now. I mean, it's funny is I've been back to work 2 days, and guys have walked up to me and say, "You look completely different." I'm getting back on my bicycle, starting to ride more. Whenever I was doing the road biking years ago, my whole family did it, my son and my daughter. It was a century ride that we did from Austin to Shiner for the Leukemia Lymphoma Society. Was the most awesome ride I had ever done. We started the ride in driving rain, thunder, lightning shooting across the sky, and I'm thinking of all the folks that I'm riding for, the people that didn't make it that could do that. I mean, it meant a lot to me to be able to ride and to be able to ride again. It's something that I really look forward to, and I'm really grateful that the technology was there, that I'll be able to do it again. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm glad there's doctors and there's scientists and there's people that dream these things up, because you've given me my legs back.